So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to work for a top company like Siemens as a data analyst? So in this video, I'll break down the job responsibility, salary expectations, along with the skills needed to get hired, and I will guide you step by step how you can apply and stand out from the other applicants. Along with that, I will also discuss the certification and project to boost your resume, and will give you some pro tips and tricks to land your dream role. So let's start. And but before going, I will like to tell all you guys to stay till the end for bonus interview tips as well. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any career change opportunities. So let's understand a little bit about the world. Sorry, job. So the what does a data analyst at Siemens do? Basically, Siemens is looking for a data analyst in Bangalore with expertise in Power BI, SQL, and Excel to develop dashboards and provide business insights. So you would be involving into creating dashboards for the internal, external stakeholders. Along with that, also you will be involved into cleaning data and all this stuff, and using SQL to fetch the data from the database. So let's discuss some key responsibilities. So as you can see over here, sorry. So this is going to be your all your key responsibilities as you can see on your screen. So it's like it will sound like building and maintaining interactive dashboard with the help of Power BI and all, analyzing large data sets to provide business insights. You will also be involved into extracting, cleaning, and transforming data from different sources, working with DAX function of Power BI, SQL, and Snowflake for data processing. And you will also automate reports using Python, RBA, etc, and collaborating with teams globally. So these all are going to be your roles and responsibilities at Siemens. Now let's understand the skills needed and experience needed for this particular role. So you need a bachelor degree, must have bachelor degree to be eligible for this particular role. Along with that, you should be good with Power BI, SQL, Excel, data analysis and visualizations with Python as well. Like for example, Matplotlib, Cbon, these are used. And they also have mentioned the good to have skills, which is as you can see here, nice to have skills they have mentioned, like Python, R, Snowflake, DAX function, which is already I already discussed. It's in Power BI, like data analysis expression. So it is used to transform the data in Power BI. So if you want to stand out from other, learn Python and SQL together, and step by step guide to landing this job would be, kind of like, first you can learn the right skill set. If you have a basic skill also of Power BI, SQL, and Excel, you can apply for this role. You can learn little bit about DAX functions, how to use it, and little bit about storytelling as well, because mostly stakeholders are non-technical persons. So you must have that skill to explain them your findings, because you cannot explain them the technical machine learning words like J factors or something. Or you can tell them like, okay, these are the significance, bar graphs or pie chart or something like that. So you can explain with the help of that. So this is all going to be your guides and steps which you can follow to get selected into this particular one. And you can also go through some certifications. If you have some certifications, it's very good to be eligible for this role. And if you don't have, then also do apply, because these all are under the preferred roles. If you have a bachelor degree, if you have basic touch on Python, SQL, Power BI, give a try. Don't lose hope. Keep trying, and definitely will land a job. Of course, it's a very good company and a product-based company, so landing into Siemens is not going to be easy. So be prepared to land into such a very good company. That is going to be the only mantras, or you can just say that it's only the skill set or the skills, or you can tips and tricks, you can say. So why one should join Siemens? So it's of course a global exposure you'll get. Along with that, you'll get cutting edge analytics projects and a very good competitive salary. Like around you will get something around 18 to 14 LPA. So and a very good chance of learning and upskilling. So it's going to be a fantastic opportunity for anyone who like to grow in the particular field of data analytics and data science. So that's what Siemens is hiring for data analysts, and now and then this is going to be a chance to work at a top company with great growth and opportunity. So follow these steps to get hired. You can just learn the basics of Power BI, Python, Excel, SQL, You can have some real world projects that you have done in this particular thing like SQL or Python or machine learning you have used, or you have built some dashboards. You can show all that in your resume, and then the chances of getting shortlisted will improve. So try to add some projects if you have experience in that particular field. Try to frame in such a way that the chances of getting shortlisting will increase. So that's it from my end. Drop a comment if you are applying to this job, and like, share, and subscribe for more job updates and career tips. Let's get you hired at Siemens. That's it from my end. See you in the next video.